Let's talk about variable rate commission. Probably not a term you've heard of lately, agents, but I think it's one to have actually a very good conversation about, because most people do not know you need to disclose when your rate is variable. So now, what is a variable rate commission? It is described or defined as a commission that is reduced or different when your company sells the listing versus a cooperating broker. So let me give you an example. Let's say I personally charge 6% when I list a house. And I have let the seller know that if my company sells the house, we will then only charge them 5%. That is a variable rate commission that must be disclosed to all cooperating brokers. And it has to be disclosed before they make an offer. Now, many agents out there do not practice this, and you must know this is part of our code of ethics and so forth to disclose this, because it is also important that the buyer is aware of this when making an offer. So in the future, remember to disclose if you're going to change the commission that's being charged, giving you an unfair advantage if you're selling the property in-house. You have to disclose that to the cooperating broker, whether they ask or not, and they need in turn to disclose it to their buyer. So hopefully I've made some of this information come to light for those of you that are practicing this, that disclosure is very important. I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners and team leader of the Missy Stegers team. And if you ever have questions, we are very happy to help you. Please reach out to us. Our website, phone 210-305-5665, or email info@msrpsa.com. Thanks for joining me.